In this video, we'll show you how to remove and install blade cartridges in your blade cartridge system. Start by popping the hood on the M108. Each blade cartridge is made of 3 components: the bed knife, the spacer bar, and the helical blade underneath. Start by removing the 3 bed knives. Simply lift them out and set them aside. We always recommend using rolling racks or shelving for removal and storage of your blade cartridges. Next up, you'll remove the spacer bars. Like the bed knives, you just lift them out and set them aside. Now you'll remove the helical blades. They're the heaviest of the 3 components, so make sure to get a good grip and use both hands. You might want to wear padded gloves to protect your palms and fingers. That's it for removal. At this point, you either clean your blade cartridges before putting them back in place, or swap in another set that's already been cleaned. Now we'll walk through the installation process. Start with the helical blades. One end has a gear, which fits to the gears on the side of the M108. Make sure the helical blades are seated properly at both sides. Next, you'll install the spacer bars. Each spacer bar has a pin on one side, which goes on the gear side of the M108. If you're facing the machine with the lid open, that will be the out feed or the left side. The spacer bars have a tongue and groove design, with the groove being on the spacer bar and the tongue being on the helical blades. Finally, you'll replace the bed knives. Like the spacer bars, they have a tongue and groove design and a pin on one side so that they can only be installed one direction. That's it. Close the lid and you're done. Fresh set of blades, ready to trim.